Why is this thing on the side of the shirt? And why is this line on the side of the coin? And what is the actual use of the bubble wraps that we pop? Today we will tell you such things whose real use you didn't know till date. Fact number 7. This thing is given in many jackets and shirts. People think it's just for design, but it's not. It is actually meant to support backpacks and vanity bags, so that it does not fall below the shoulder, and yes, it looks good in a few looks too. Fact number 6. You must have seen this line on the side of coins, but have you ever thought what is this line actually for? This is because in earlier times silver and gold coins were used. All these were very valuable coins, so some people used to do this thing that they used to take out gold or silver from that coin by grinding a little bit from the side and sold it at higher price in the market. And to stop this, the pattern of such lines was invented. Fact number 5. There is a different fun in busting bubble wrap, but if seen, what is actually its work? You would say that protecting things, but it's not the case. Actually, it was made to be designed in the painting of walls. But later it was found that it protects the things very well from getting damaged, and that's why today delicate things are covered in bubble wrap. Fact number 4. You would think that sunglasses are only used to avoid sunlight and to look cool, but actually it is designed for the entire opposite work. They were made to avoid snow, but gradually it spread all over the world. But in China it was used by judges to hide their emotions, and then people started using it to protect their eyes from the sun. Fact number 3. This shape of donut has actually been named as donut by itself. This shape was also used for a special purpose. In fact, when donuts were made in earlier times, there were no modern ovens like ours at that time. And for this reason, donut used to remain raw from middle. Then they removed only the middle part and brought this shape of donut in market, and people also liked it a lot. Fact number 2. You must have seen this noodle cup, and you would have thought it, why they are empty like this. They actually do this to save your noodles. They intentionally keep the size of noodles more so that it remains empty space to the bottom. Because if it is filled completely, then during shipping, these noodles may break from inside, and no one likes broken noodles, and that's why it is empty like this. Fact number 1. In Dominos, we have this pizza table or this pizza stopper that we throw away with that pizza box as soon as we open. Like whenever you go to take a slice of pizza, it breaks from the side or the middle, and to slice this thing equally, pizza stoppers are given in pizza boxes.